Of all the surviving 3-foot narrow-gauge steam locomotives that are still running on tourist railroads, perhaps the most quaint are the small 280 Consolidation types that were built in the late 1800s. One of my favorites of these locomotives is Denver and Rio Grande Western No. 315, a C-18 class built by the Baldwin Locomotive Works in 1895. Originally constructed for the Florence and Cripple Creek Railroad as their No. 3, the locomotive was later sold to the Denver and Rio Grande, becoming No. 425 and later 315 when the railroad went through corporate reorganization. In 2007, the 315 was fully restored to operation by the Durango Railroad Historical Society. The locomotive then began a career in excursion service, pulling special event trips on both the Durango and Silverton Narrow Gauge Railroad and the Cumbres and Toltec Scenic Railroad. These trips have ranged from short passenger excursions to special full-day photography events. During these events, the locomotive has typically pulled a passenger or recreated freight consist from the days of the Rio Grande, stopping at various spots along the railroad for the photographers and videographers to disembark and capture the train passing by scenic and otherwise interesting locations. In early June of 2018, the 315 was used to pull a few of these special photography trips over the Cumbres and Toltec Scenic Railroad. The event was hosted by the non-for-profit Friends of the Cumbres and Toltec Scenic Railroad, a group with the goal of preserving and restoring artifacts related to the historic 64-mile-long railroad that is owned by the states of Colorado and New Mexico. On the first day of the event, 315 pulled a recreated freight train over most of the railroad from Antonito, Colorado to the summit of Cumbres Pass. Day 2 of the event saw the locomotive return to Antonito with a slightly different train consist. Let's take a look at 315 pulling its freight train over the Cumbres and Toltec Scenic Railroad. Hey everyone, thanks for joining me for this look at Denver and Rio Grande Western number 315 on the Cumbres and Toltec Scenic Railroad. For more information about the 315, visit drhs315.org. As always, a special thanks to all my supporters on Patreon. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more on the 315 in the future, let me know by posting a comment in the comments section. Newcomers to the channel are always more than welcome to subscribe and click the notification bell so you're alerted whenever I post to YouTube. Be sure to check out my other social media pages for even more train and railroad themed content. I'll be back next Friday at 9 a.m. Pacific time for an all-new railroading adventure right here on the YouTube channel. That's it for now. Until next time, I'm Mike Armstrong. I'll see you down the line. Thanks for watching.